Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. Since problem, here some data is given. So x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the corresponding x values, there is the values are there. Now how can you fit this data into the parabolic equation, that is y equal to a plus bx plus x square. Now how can you find the best values, that is a, b, c. This is the problem. In the first step, create a tabular form. So this is a tabular form. So in the first column, write x values, next y values, next xy values, x square values, x square y values, x cube values, x power 4 values. Now fill the x values, that is given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next fill y values, this is -4, -1, 4, 11, 20. So next step is product x values. So 0 into -4, 0, next -1, 8, 33, 80. Next fill x square values, that is 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9, 4 4 to the 16. So next product x square values with y values, that is -4 into 0, 0, -1, -1, 4 4 to 16, 11 9, 99, 20 into 16, that is 320. Now here fill x cube values and x power 4 values. So xp is 0 cube nothing but 0, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. Now power 4 values, that is 0 power 0, 1 power 1, 2 power 4 16, 3 power 4, that is 81, 4 power 4 is nothing but 56. Now table form is finished. Now find the sum of all the values, means sum of each column. Here sum of x, here sum of y, here sum of xy, here sum of x square values, so like that. So here summation of x means sum of all x values in this column. So thus be equal to 10. Next sum of y, that is 30. Next sigma xy, that is 120. So here I am using calculator for finding all these values. Summation of x square, that is 30. Next summation of x square values, that is 434. Next summation of x cube, so this column by summing all the values will get 100. Next summation of x power 4, last column, that will be equal to 354. Now write normal equations, means apply summations for the given equation. So then becomes summation of y equal to, so here constant is there, so a b added, how many x values are there, 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 times will be a is added, so it will be 5a, plus next here b is constant, keep it outside, then becomes b into summation of x plus here c is constant, c into summation of x square. Here totally 3 terms are there, so we will get 3 equations. Next product this equation with x on both sides, then becomes xy equal to ax plus bx square plus cx cube. Now apply summation for this equation, then we get summation of xy equal to a is constant, a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube. Now again product with x, this equation, then we get x square y equal to ax square plus bx cube plus c x power 4. Now apply summation for this equation. Summation of x square y equal to a is constant, a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x power 4. Now we know that summation of y, summation of x, summation of x square, summation of x cube, summation of 4. So here we have all the values. Now fill all the values, means substitute all the values in these three equations. Summation of y is 30. So 30 equal to 5a plus 10b plus 30c. Next substitute xy, that is 120. So 120 equal to summation of x is 10, 10a plus summation of x square is 30. So 30b plus next summation of x cube is 100, 100c. Now substitute here summation of x square y, that is 434. So 434 equal to here 30a plus here 100b plus here 354, 354c. Now use calculator for solving these three equations. So after solving these three equations, we will get a equal to -4, b equal to 2, c equal to 1. So these are the required values for the given problem. Now substitute these values in the given equation, that is y equal to a plus bx plus 6 square. So in that substitute, then we get y equal to a is -4 plus b is 2x plus x square. So this is the required equation which fit xy data, and this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.